Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today I have 7 variations of the Jeep Gladiator by Hot Wheels on the table here. This is one of my favorite castings by Hot Wheels. I'm trying to collect every color of it. There are 10 colors out right now, and I have 7 of the variations. So as you can see, I have a premium right here and 6 main lines. One of them is a store exclusive, and I'm just missing a Zamac one, a gray premium one, and then a tan one from 2020. So here are the ones that I have loose already. These are all the 2021 colors. This one is in blue, the first color for 2021. And then let's see here. The second one is a Dollar General exclusive in a nice white color with the chrome wheels. And I do like this casting. It's the Jeep pickup truck with the big knobby off-road tires and the bikes in the back there. And really cool 4-door pickup truck. And then metallic green was the next color with different wheels. And very nice. And we're going to be opening these 4 up today for my loose display. This was the very first one, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator in red from Baja Blazers, 4 of 10, a new for 2020 model. Number 157 of 250 on the year of 2020, and this is a K-Case release. And the 2020 Jeep Gladiator was born in 2019, Toledo, Ohio. The designer's Jeep, this mid-sized 4-wheel drive pickup truck combines modern technology and rugged features that make it more than a match for any off-road environment. All right, so this was Baja Blazers. You could enter the code there. And today is the day that we're getting this one open. This is in red. I got this from my friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys. I've had this for a few months now. And today's the day we get this open. This is a beautiful red color. Yeah, take a look. Nice spinning wheels. Again, with the details on it. The bikes in the back. Really like those. Black plastic base, kind of a dark grayish. Very cool. Not too many tampos on the sides. It's just detailed headlights. And kind of hard to do tail lights on this one. But there you go. Pretty good open there. Okay, so this is another color of it that we have loose right now. This is the Dollar General exclusive. I think I mentioned that already. 4 colors of it. 2022 came out with 2 more colors of this. In black and white with the Borla designs on the side. These are from Baja Blazers, 4 of 10, 26 of 250. Okay, this one is... Okay, the black one was from B Case. And then the white one was from H Case. It doesn't say on that one, but... Yeah, see black here. See how good of an open we got. We tore it a little bit up there. Sometimes that happens. Other than that, covered up. Looks like a pretty clean open. Nice black color Borla on the side. And wow, this is like kind of a really... I don't know how to describe it. A really nice vehicle for off-roading. And I don't think I've ever seen a muddy... No, I don't think there is a muddy tire version of this casting. But yeah, the first color for 2022 right here in black with the Borla on it. This has some really neat graphics on it. Take a nice look there. And I think this has a gray interior, or gray bikes, gray interior. So yeah, there you go. And then white. Again, ripped up there. Seems to be happening a lot. That's alright. Other than that, didn't tear on the inside there. There we go. I think I do like the black one better. Little loose axles. I think we'll live. Pretty cool. And the white color makes the tampos really stand out on this one. And I didn't even notice that 78 on the back until now. Borla, nice red and black. Attack on the side. Very cool. Nice Jeep Gladiator. 6 loose colors of it now. And, yeah, now we got the premium to open. This is from 2021. And what is this? Car Culture. What's the series? Hyper Haulers. And I really want that one. But this one I really wanted to. I think that's... No, I got this at a hobby shop. So this I did not find this on the pegs. But yeah, 3 of 5 in that series. Hyper Haulers. Very nice card design. But this one is going to get opened. Made in Thailand. And boom. There it goes. Nice open premium. Decent open on that. Nice weight to this. And we have brown tires on this. Doesn't seem to want to be focusing on it, so I guess we're going to move these out of the way. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And I love how the wheels don't like stand out like that. No, if you push them in, I guess they don't do that. But this has thinner tires. Like, these are thinner tires. They're still off-road. I'm not sure what they're called. I don't think they're off-road 5-spoke wheels. I mean, they technically are, but I'm not sure what they're actually called, because there's a mainline wheel called the same thing, but that's not what this is. This is metal on metal with the Real Rider tires with the treads. Manufactured mid-2021, right in the middle of the year. Love the painted details on this. There's the bikes once again. Nice heavy vehicle, great details. They even painted the driver or the doors different colors. Metallic green, and all painted in the front. Super cool. Very nice. All right, 7 variations of the Jeep Gladiator by Hot Wheels on the table here. All loose now because I opened up 4 of them today. And which one's your favorite? I think I already know which one's my favorite. But anyways, please subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.